Hello, welcome to our channel. First of all, we are going to introduce our first chapter in biology, that is diversity in living organism. So before getting started, please see this video. I hope you will love it. The main part of the earth containing living organism is known as biosphere. It is defined as a part of earth in which the ecosystem exists. And the biotic environment of man include plant, animal and human beings. A very minute imbalance and crisis are so intimately related to the physical environment that it is extremely difficult to separate them. So, it is very important to conserve our biodiversity. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Now let's move into the details of this chapter. Taxonomy. Here we will be learning about taxonomy and systematic and what these words means. The taxonomy is a branch of biology that deals with the principle and procedure of identification and nomenclature, that is naming of organism and their classification into different groups on the basis of their resemblance, that is similarities, and the differences in their morphology and cell structure. Not only this, the systematic also deals with the relationship between different organisms, like the comparative and evolutionary relationship based on comparative anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, and its ecology. Now, what do you think that these things are important to us? Why do you think it is important? Because if we don't know the name of the particular organism, it will be very difficult for us to understand the characteristic and communicate with one another. So this idea was given by Carolus Linnaeus. He is also known as the father of taxonomy. And he has written a publication. One publication was very famous of his. It was Systema Naturae. Now let's just go into the taxonomical hierarchy. What do you mean by hierarchy? There must be certain rank and categories in which we are naming a particular organisms. That means there should be a proper guidelines to follow that. Taxonomic hierarchy is the arrangement of taxonomic groups into a definite organ in a definite order from higher to lower categories. The categories used in classification of animals are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. In case of plant, phylum is replaced by division. Thus, the taxonomic hierarchy, there are minimum 7 categories called taxa. Now, I will give you one example of human. In human, kingdom is Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Hominidae, genus Homo, and species is Sapiens. So in this manner, all the organism on earth is being categorized and are being classified according to their characteristics. Now we will move on to binomial nomenclature. What is the meaning of nomenclature? Nomenclature means naming of organism. It was in 1753 that Carolus Linnaeus proposed binomial system of nomenclature, where he stated there should be 2 terms in a scientific name to name a particular organism. Like for example, Homo sapiens. Homo is the genus and sapiens is the species. Hence, it is known as binomial nomenclature. To identify the plant or any kind of organism, we need some help. Help means some guidelines. So, who will give this? This is given by taxonomical aids. Taxonomical aid include key, flora, monograph, manuals, and catalogs. Key are the tools for identification of unfamiliar plants. Flora is a document of all plant species in a given geographical area. Monograph is a complete global account of a taxon of any rank. It can be family, genus, or a species at a given time. and a catalogue are the books of libraries rich in botanical titles, like one find in a library which consists all the plants or any kind of animal records. So that is a book of library rich in botanical titles. So here it was the helping hand which help a taxonomist or a scientist to understand or to know about an unknown organism and name it according to its characteristic. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe, like and comment. Give comment about the video. How did you like it? So thank you, and please subscribe our channel to get more of these videos. Okay, thank you. Take care. Tata. Bye.